Let me give you the link. What up? Oh. What up, what up? How we doing, girls and boys? Oh. Did I give you the wrong link? I think I posted the wrong link, sorry. Oh. Why is it sending okay, it is sending to the channel. This looks different, but fair enough. Just give me a moment. Oh. Why did the link look so different? It didn't have the logo on it. That is weird. That's hell. But it doesn't matter. What's up, guys? Let's hope gold can continue so we can get that beautiful trade. Should we use the highest lot size to enter the trade? You can only do it if you use topstep. You can only enter this trade if you use topstep, and I'm gonna use one contract size on topstep on this one. I'm gonna make it a swing. I don't think this is gonna be a sniper entry. I think it's gonna be a swing trade with some potential drawdown. I mean, I will prefer the zero drawdown as always, but I'm not aiming for zero drawdown. I'm aiming for a swing trade that could have some some drawdown, but drawdown doesn't matter as long as we hit the profits. On the account I showed you last week with 100% win rate, some of the trades did have drawdown, but I still ended up with 100% win rate and passed the challenge in 1 week, so it doesn't really matter. It's all about the profits. Zero drawdown is just a flex, I guess. But we're getting close, guys. We're getting close, so make sure you're ready. Can us who don't use topstep get filled? I mean, no, but I'm actually working right now. I'm just waiting for email reply for a different prop firm. So people who cannot use topstep, they can use the other prop firm futures. So we should have a plan B soon with how you can enter on a different prop firm. So. What up, guys? How we doing? We're back. Welcome, David. I'm in love account. What do you mean? I'm in love? Love account? Oh, you mean live account on broker? Or a live account on Profim? It will get up soon. I hope it will get up after the zone get filled. I mean, get filled and then push up. That would be love. That would be lovely. But I think this zone is a decent good swing trade. Do you have a signal group? I mean, you can watch free on YouTube, but yes, I also have a group. But a lot of the time I take the trades live here, so it's up to you. There will be trades, of course, that's not going to be on the stream. But you get a playbook where you can get the trades yourself without having to watch me. You're using future price? Yes, I'm going to trade this on futures. I also shorted the shit out of the Danish crown Sunday night at the market open. I'm gonna make so much money seeing Denmark go fucking bankrupt because they're so fucking greedy. Fucking high taxes and criminals all over the place. So let me see how many pips I'm up on that trade. I'm up 1,200 pips on shorting the Danish fucking crown. Delusional country. And I can't wait the country to go fucking hopefully bankrupt so I can make a lot of money on that trade. I'm gonna hold it for like 2 years because the swap is positive. So just by holding the position, I get paid in swaps. So, and I'm also in profit at the same time. So it's a fucking win-win. I mean, at least I can get my tax money back through shorting the Danish crown. So fuck those Danish governments. I can show you a screenshot, by the way, from the position and the amount of pips. Oh. This is the amount of pips I'm up. 1,100 pips shorting the Danish crown. But it's a small pair, the liquidity is low, so the spread is also fucking huge. Like when you enter a trade, your slippage because of spread is like to the fucking moon. So that's pretty annoying. And you don't have the same leverage, you only have 20 leverage. But the swap is positive, so you get paid by holding the position overnight. No matter if it's up or down, sideways. So that's the good thing about it. So, but yeah, let's focus on gold and not the Danish crown. If you made 20 million on a trade, would you ever work again? I mean, I will still be trading. I'm not gonna stop trading no matter amount of money. It's literally an addiction for me. Even if I made money or lose money, I'm addicted. So it's like gambling, you know. So I gotta do it. I mean, already now I could stop working if I wanted to, but I'm still going. Welcome, Caesar. How you doing, brother? Welcome. Did you go to a training academy? Nope. I did everything by myself. That's how I learned the best, actually. I hate people to teach me stuff. I actually learn everything I have learned in my life. I'm doing it myself. It might take longer, but I feel like I get every single, like, brick by brick. Like, if someone teaches me, I don't feel like I get every single brick, if you know what I mean. If I'm building a house, I want every single brick to be built. I don't want holes in the walls. And I feel like if someone teaches you, you kind of get those holes in the wall. I don't know how to explain it. When I do shit myself, it's I will stop yapping. Shut the fuck up, me. Sorry. How long it took you to learn in the beginning? I mean, I've been doing it for like 6 years now, so it took me, I don't know, I learned stuff pretty quick, so I'm not like the average guy, but I would say 1.5 years. I started printing a lot. Of course, the first year, nobody knows what they're doing. If you know somebody who says they're profitable within the first year, you just block them or you cut them out of your life because they're delusional. In your first year of trading, you have no idea what you're doing. Or all the results you have is based on randomness. You cannot backtest when you're a beginner because you don't even know what the fuck you're doing. So your backtest doesn't align with your actually performance. Oh, too sick. I'm texting someone. I will be back very quick. What did I? How much chart time? I mean, I'm pretty sure that I have more screen time than the monitor itself. I'm not even joking. I literally have more screen time than the screen itself. Can we take the trade on a live account? I mean, you have to do it on futures. The whole approach is made on futures. The prices doesn't feel the same way. I somehow stumble here. What app or software is this? This is you're watching TradingView. You're watching TradingView. Please, brother, explain how your meme lines. What do you mean by meme lines? I don't know what you mean. One of my coworkers was using a bot and made 70,000. Still don't know what he's doing and has not made that much sense. I mean, nice that he made the profits. Let's hope he can continue that. You're not going to trade Forex Gold anymore? Right now I prefer the futures, to be honest. The risk is just so much lower and the rewards is the same, so... I mean, of course it depends on your account size, but... The risk, no matter what, will be lower than on Forex. And I mean, trading is all about risk, right? So... I think it's beautiful. We just need gold to move. It's kind of stopping again. What is the difference between trading gold and futures and trading it on Forex? Yeah, you will see some number difference and candles difference. They move slightly different. It's still kind of low. It is the same to a certain extent, but there is differences. Why is the risk low on futures? Because of the accounts on topstep. It's literally $50. That's all you can lose. You can lose $50, and you can make as much as you are capable of. And I mean, $50 is like the bare minimum you can afford to lose in trading, in my opinion. How do you mark your zone so accurately? I think it's skills and just a lot of time behind the screen. But I appreciate the words, TG. And I'm happy that you enjoy the zones. Do you use the same setups? Yeah, it's the same setups, but they work better on futures, and the risk, as I just said, is $50. So no matter how bad you're trading, you can only lose $50. I mean, that's fucking amazing, right? That actually makes you able to trade more aggressively, and the more aggressively you trade, the more money you can make, and the risk will still be $50. No matter how aggressively you trade, you can be the most crazy maniac, your risk will still be $50. So it's like, I fucking take that every day. And as I showed you on last week, even on the smallest account possible, it was still 3K. I used the lowest lot size and the lowest account, and that was still $3,000. So it's like, and the risk was $50 still. So it's like, I think it's a money glitch, literally a money glitch, in my opinion. Yeah, just building my live account right now. Have gone from 15 to 350. Okay, that's insane, bro. That's a pretty good flip. What time frames do you mostly use while you enter trades? I mean, I actually use pretty much every single time frame. Actually, I can trade the 1 minute, I can trade the monthly. It doesn't really matter. It kind of depends on the market structure. We will see gold run like an idiot, like it did this. Yeah, that would be insane. New to this, I've been dabbling with the long-term things with good profit, but want to earn some way to put some money into faster growth. What programs you could recommend? I mean, I would recommend Topstep. As I just said, on Topstep you can only lose $50, and you can still make 3,000, 5,000 a week. So with only $50 risk, I mean, it's all about how much you can make actually, because the risk will stay the same. Because that's the cost of the account you buy. So if you want to make more money with lower risk, you just use Topstep. That's why I moved everything to Topstep. I'm not going to use anything else than Topstep. $50 for the account. What about the activation? I heard something about, yeah, that's $150, but you have to remember when you pay that, you also have the live account, which means 10 pips, and you have, 15 pips, and you make back the cost. So it's like, it's nothing. Like once you pay the 150, you literally have 50K in principal live capital. So you're gonna make a lot from there on. So it's easy money, in my opinion. Also because you can connect up to 5 accounts, and you can scale it to 100 and then 150. So it's like, it feels like a fucking money glitch. I don't know why it took me so long to even find it. It's like I think it's 2 months ago I found it or something. It's fucking nuts. So. Do you teach your strategy somewhere? Yeah, in my Telegram, it's free to join. There is 2 groups. One of the groups you get a playbook. Some of the groups you can watch me when I trade live for free. And then you can see the setups on your screen yourself and how I take it and manage it. Come on, goalie. Come to daddy. $50 is nothing really in the times we live in. That's not bad. I don't mind risk, but low risk is a bonus. I'm Norwegian. I'm from Denmark. I'm actually from Denmark, so I'm very, very close to your country. I'm your neighbor, kind of. But I just shorted the shit out of the Danish crown this night, so I'm hoping that Norway and Denmark and Sweden is going bankrupt. Not because I hate you, but I want to make some money on the other side of the coin from their mistakes, from high taxes and criminals and stuff. So. And I'm currently running 1,000 pips on it already, so it's looking good. My market strategy is putting it all on red. If I fail, I can just put a bullet in my head. I mean, that sounds like a great idea. No, that sounds like a great idea, bro. You still trading stocks? No. You mean penny stocks? I took a break from it. I still didn't have a single losing day on penny stocks. I'm going back to it again, but the thing with penny stocks, you have to be on the chart on a certain time, and I didn't have time for that. You have to be at the open and the pre-session, and I didn't have time for it. You cannot trade all the sessions like you do on gold. You have to be where the news is being released, so you cannot run around when you trade penny stocks. You have to be on it when the shit happens. So, but it's really fun, and I'm going back to it again once I get time for it. I still have my account on the broker, my offshore broker, so I don't have to pay taxes. Don't tell my dad, but yeah, life is good. Life is good. We just need gold to make a push down, and then we can take a trade, and then we'll all be happy. How is the taxes in Denmark? It's probably the highest in the world. I'm not even joking. I think we are ranked 1 with another country with the highest taxes in the world. And that's why I shorted the Danish crown. So I'm actually kind of making my money back on the other side of the stocks. But so the taxes doesn't work like that anymore in my opinion. So we are paying too much. Tell me about that broker. Is it only for penny stocks? You can trade pretty much. I think you can trade all the normal stocks as well, and indices. But it's a very good broker for penny stocks because of execution speed and hotkeys. We pay 40% on profits here now, hoping for a new government. Yeah, bro. I mean, Europe is a fucking failed nation on every single aspect. I can't find anything good in Europe anymore. It's a complete shithole. And I can't wait to see it all fall apart. And I'm not even gonna feel bad for the people who voted that's gonna lose their fucking home someday. It's their own fucking choice. Will you be looking into moving to Abu Dhabi? Yeah, I mean Dubai is a no-go because all the people who move to Dubai is a fucking douchebags, and you're gonna be put on the scam list if you do it, because so many scammers are moving to Dubai. So just by you moving to Dubai, you will just be put in the same package. But if you move to Abu Dhabi, I don't think people are gonna see you as a scammer. So. But there's many other countries as well. Mauritius is very beautiful. They also have the visa you can get. I like Costa Rica, also a beautiful place. Join me to Poland, Australia, or Canada. That's my plan if it burns. I mean, Poland is actually probably the only country in Europe that actually understands what the fuck is going on. They have a very good guy on the post there. I forgot his name. They have a very good leader. He actually understands what the fuck is going on. Poland is probably the only place in Europe that has some kind of brain cells left, if I have to be honest. Australia also nice, and Canada as well, of course. Australia is fried, is it? I thought Australia was decent. I mean, it's hot as hell and they have a lot of dangerous animals, but besides that, besides you going to get eaten by a shark, I think it's a good country. Finland, we have the pay taxes with no laws, 30 to 40, no, 30 to 34, that's insane. Europe is so lost, hard times ahead. Yeah, Europe is so fucking lost, completely. And the people who sits on the power is completely brain dead. Literally, probably the most stupid people are sitting on the power in Europe. Let me know when you move so I can be your neighbor. Sure, bro. We can what is it called? Agree on that. Monaco is for the rich. I think like a small apartment is like a fucking 100 grand a month. Maybe not 100 grand, but maybe 50 grand. I'm traveling to Spain soon. That's nice, bro. Euro is the reason for it all. It's refreshing to see a stream where the person actually reason. Yeah, that's of course, bro. We're on the same side, bro. If people blocking you from saying what you said, I mean, they're just delusional. I mean, you just know the guy's brain dead, so you don't even have to fucking discuss with him. If the guy blocks you from telling that, yeah, he's just dumb as fuck. And someday he's gonna realize it in real life. Probably it's because his mom is getting raped and his fucking taxes is more than he can afford to pay. And then he will cry like a bitch. Would you ever do a meet and greet in other countries for the trading? Yeah, of course, but that would be fun as hell. Go to the party together. Maybe just having some fun at the pool. That would be fun. I mean, come on, gold. Like, you were literally like so close to reach, and then you decided to just go again. Oh. Barcelona is beautiful. Enjoy, brother. Yeah, Barcelona is a nice place. I'm thinking of buying at this level. Might not hit. I don't know what you think. I will suggest that you don't. Levy. Just wait for the zone. It's always the best decision. I mean, the previous results have kind of showed that waiting is always the best outcome for the most amount of profits. You also have to think about the steeper the pullback is, the better the outcome can be. So if we get filled all the way at 43, the potential runner is increasing every single time. Just saying. But let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Right now I can see it made a double bottom on the previous wick, but we just have to push below so we can get filled, man. Come on. What's the best crypto app? I have no idea. I use Coinbase, I guess. But that is regulated, and they have like a business with the Danish government, so they can actually see your information. You should not have crypto where the government can see it. Can we enter on gold the same time you enter in futures? I would say no. No, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I really thought that we would get filled, but apparently not. The name is let me think. I can't even remember the name. It was something with zero fast or zero broker or zero speed or something with the word zero. 50% win rate. I mean, that's the you can pass it with 50%. I right now I have 100%, but you only need 50% to pass it, and you still make money. That's the strategy behind it. And if you don't believe that I have a 100% win rate, I can show you a screenshot actually on the previous account. So let me find it. Just give me a moment. Put it up. This was from last week. On the smallest account and on the smallest lot size. You can see the right is the commission and the left is the profit. This is 3,000 in total. So the 50% win rate, as you can see in the description, is just what you need to make money on it. Hasim Hatake. How many pips is your usual TP? It depends a lot. I mean, I kind of adapt to what the price gives me. So sometimes it's 100. The last trade I took was a sell. It was 100 pips. 100 and let me check. 104 pips. So it's a small trade, but I mean, 100 pips is still decent. It's $1,000 on the smallest. Coinbase is under control of the government. Yeah, they sold their soul, but it's fine. There's a lot of good platforms for wallets outside the government access. Let me actually show you the sell I took if I can find it. What was the key level? It was on futures, so it was actually the high, I think. What did it say? 3.5. It's not on here. It was the top. I can't. It's not the same prices anymore. You use limit or market execution? I use both. It depends on the setup. Depends on the setup. And why is gold moving away? Come on. I didn't move my Coinbase shit to have wait, what? To some other. So last year I had to start taxing my crypto. Yeah, it's it's unfortunately. The best thing you can do is just move out of Europe. That's absolutely the best decision you can make. How do you determine if a limit is good or not? I mean, it's just from experience with your setups. You kind of know what setups has the highest probability and intuition. So it's a combination of those two things. And your risk tolerance. And also volume. So it depends on some different factors. Fixed stop loss. I mean, the stop loss also depends. Normally it's 25 pips, 30 pips maximum, but around 25 pips normally. Topstep doesn't have. You have to use one. It doesn't. It's not on futures. It's not lot size. It's actually contracts. So you use one contract, one mini contract, and then 2 mini, 3 mini, 4 mini, 5 mini. The boom. You do futures? Yes, sir, buddy. I do futures. I open my account, so I start with one contract. Yeah. Yes, sir. Is this futures? Yes, it's futures, my friend. On topstep. So try to close live, then watch how good it goes. Yeah, just like last time, I went off 5 minutes later. The price just fucking fell the zone. I was like, what the hell? I literally went off for like 2 seconds, and then the price filled. But yeah, it looks like gold is moving away, so I feel like I have to to do the same as I did earlier. Boom, ba-dim, ba-dum. Thank you for liking the stream, guys. I appreciate every single like. Remember, if you like the stream, you're not gay, so it's up to you to decide if you're gay or not. It's not my choice. Now I see the likes go up. Yeah, that's actually a good idea, Prospect. It's because I just changed to future, so I actually forgot about changing the, because I normally just copy the previous one, so that's actually a good idea. I should change it. I didn't think about that before now, actually, because I just switched to futures. So I'll do that for the next stream. Thank you, Prospect, for reminding me. Can you or anyone here actually be honest and tell me as a side thing if you make decent money on this? I mean, you can ask the people who watch me and they will tell you if I do a good or bad job, instead of me just talking good about myself. You can ask the people who watch. Welcome, Anaim. How you doing, brother? Also, I'm not gay. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Oi, oi, oi. Wait, how many liked after I said it? Let me check. Only 5 people. So the rest is gay. Fair enough. Oh, we got one more right there. Okay, 39. Almost 40. That's crazy. Yeah, we just need gold to move so we can get a nice trade and then call it a day. Let me grab some water quickly while we wait on gold. 2 seconds. Hallelujah. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Oy, oy, oy. Myself, I'm 110%. If you just watch one of the trades I take live for free, you will be surprised. So just stick around and you will be happy, man. I will guarantee you that. And you can actually see all the previous trades on the Telegram. It's free to join. You can see all the previous screenshots. I think that will tell a little bit of the story. Get addicted to what? You mean trading? Oh, you mean addicted to the trades? Ah, okay, I see. I know what you mean now, Zach. Sorry. Hello, Mr. Rehan. Welcome to the club. Remember, Rehan, if you don't like, you're gay, but that's okay. We respect you still. Come on, gold. Please don't do me dirty. I'm confused. You don't have to be confused. I just said it's okay if you don't like the stream, but if you don't like it, you're gay. But we respect you even though if you're gay. That's just what I said. I did like the poll. I mean, I'm not a pole dancer. I mean the stream, but it's okay. You don't have to. Come on, gold. Like, come on. Buy entry. We are still waiting for the buy zone to take the long position. I don't. If we don't get filled in New York session, I think it actually could get filled in. It could get filled in Asia. Actually, I think Asia. This could be an Asia trade, Asia session trade. I used to be trapped in a woman's body until I got born. Yeah, same, bro. I hate when that happens. Me stop sending trouser pictures. What's your target on that trade? I mean, it depends. It depends on the rejection on it, and the price, the following price after. So it all depends on the price. Let me see my. Ooh, look at that, guys! Just by the stream, we have been. What am I even trying to say? Last time I showed you the Danish position, it was a 1,000. 20 minutes ago, it was a 1,000. Now it's at 2,000. Let's go, baby. This is a good time to see the Danish currency go to hell. So literally in 20 minutes, it doubled. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wait, could you even see the picture? Oh, you could. No, mind. I was just watching the stream. I was like, wait, it's not even coming up, but it did. No, mind. This is not futures. We are trading futures, brother. It's I gave you the zone on Telegram. It was I even forgot now. It was 3396.0. is the key level I gave you. So that's the correct one. But tomorrow I'm gonna buy the CME price on TradingView, so I can actually put the same prices on TradingView as I can on topstep. It's because we right now we're watching on what's it called, TradingView, but I haven't bought the CME prices. So tomorrow we will see the normal future prices on TradingView. Because this is not TradingView, this is I mean, this is not topstep prices, this is Owanda on gold. So tomorrow we will get the future price on TradingView, and then we should be good. Oh. So the limit of a few pips, does that not hurt? I mean, it's not only a few pips, and yes, actually, you have to think about every single pip. 1 pip in trading is 2 pips difference. Because if you're 1 pip, let's say earlier, oh sorry, late. If you're 1 pip late, that means your stop loss is 2 pips bigger, if that makes sense. So if my entry, my normal entry should be 0, and you enter at +1, but your stop loss has always been -2, it's now -3 in total instead of, you know, 0 to -2. It's now +1 to -3. So every single pip you are late is actually double. So if you're 5 pips late or different, it's actually 10 pips because your stop loss is now those +5 pips bigger, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. Didn't think that way. Yeah, that's how you calculate it. That's why I focus a lot on zero drawdown, because I understand that every single pip, it's actually the doubled effect on the risk. So that's why I don't trade with confirmation. I cannot remember the last time I took a trade after confirmation. I enter before confirmation, if that makes sense. Because if you wait for confirmation, you're literally like 30 pips behind, and that's actually 60 pips in total. So it's like, yeah. I swear I've been here for a month or 2, by now I know I've seen a stream trade because we never get filled. I mean, I took a break, so that makes totally sense. This is my first day back on stream, so it kind of makes sense. That I mean, it makes sense if I'm not live, there's no trades. So it kind of makes sense. But I mean, if you're in the group, you can see all the limit orders I gave the past 2 weeks. They've all been spot on. So hello, Rafal. How you doing, brother? This is so much to learn compared to the weak month stocks I have messed with. I mean, what did you used to do before this? Full margin? I mean, a lot of people I know in my community is going full margin on my trades, but it's still not a good idea because I will still take a loss someday. So it's not a good idea. Hello, Joseph. How you doing, brother? What is it called? Guys, what is it called when you have a lot of rules? Let's say you have a business and you have a lot of rules. What is another word for the rules? I forgot. Is it registration? And what is it? You know what I mean? I forgot the word. Can you tell me, guys? I forgot the word. It's not rules, but you know what I mean. Is it regulation? Right? Yeah, regulation. Is it? I forgot the word. Fuck, damn it. Regulation. Is that the word? I forgot it. not guidelines, criteria. No, it's like Europe has a lot of, I think it's called regulation. Is it? I forgot the word. Regulation. Regulation. Yeah, that's the one. Insane. Just to confirm, you talked about futures just now. Are we still trading gold? I mean, it is gold. It's just gold on futures. So it's kind of the same, but not the same. It is still gold. It's just the future price on it. Yeah, you just don't follow the screen. Just follow my when I say enter now, okay? Just follow when I enter, and then I will switch to the topstep platform. It's because I haven't bought the trading view CNE future price yet. So I will do that tomorrow, so I can have the future prices on trading view, so we don't have to watch this. What did I miss? How long do you usually wait for a trade to get executed? It all depends. Some days it takes 1 hour. Sometimes it takes days, so it depends. How many pips you're potentially looking for? It also depends. I mean, 100 pips, I will not complain. I also need to be focused now, guys. I was actually 1 second to about to go out and pee because I have to pee a lot, but now the prices is pushing down, so I don't have time to pee now. That's pretty fucking annoying. I'm low-key just gonna piss in my pants. I think that's better. And then I can just buy some new pants with the trade, right? Let's see. Where are we trading at now? We're trading at 3402. We're pushing down. It looks good right now. Should we wait for confirmation from your side, or should we put a buy limit? Wait for my call. I will tell you when I enter. Just be ready. Just have your mouse on the buy button, and then when I scream in your ears that I'm going to enter, you just enter. You've been on active on your community. What do you mean, bro? Yes. There's data in 2 minutes. Wait, we have news in 2 minutes? I didn't even check. Let me check that first before I do anything. Is it on? Let me check. We don't have news, bro. In fact, we actually have bank holiday. JPY bank holiday. I thought, but we have CPI tomorrow. that is expecting green numbers, so that's actually bearish. I didn't even check that we have CPI tomorrow, and it's not the monthly, it's the yearly. So that is pretty nuts, actually. I can see gold is smelting. I'm gonna use one contract, by the way, when I enter, so don't use 5 on this one. Don't use 5, okay? And don't look at this training view, guys. I have topstep on my other screen, and we are taking, we are using topstep as the primary price. Okay, so yeah. Just wait for my call. I really have to pee, so this has to happen quickly because I'm literally peeing in my pants right now. That's how much I have to pee. So it's like I'm low-key pissing in a bottle right now to not miss this trade. Let's see if gold is gonna make us all homeless tonight. It looks like it, so it's gonna be excited. Hello, Womp. How you doing, brother? Gold is going crazy, guys. Is this... Why does this have to be the first trade, man? This is like fucking crazy. But I mean, as I said, remember the only thing we can lose is $50. That is the maximum. We're not even 50 bucks. It's actually 25 because we need 2 losses to lose the challenge. So it's actually $25 we can lose. So the risk is close to 0. So let's see if we can get filled. It was very close. It was right below. Come on, gold. Come on, Goldie, why are you doing this to me? Pee in a bottle, I do the same all the time. I mean, sure, bro, if you suggest that's a good idea, I'll do it. Any just one. Are we ready, guys? It's literally like this is gold on futures, by the way. This is not forex. We're trading futures. Just if you don't know what time frame, the zone was made on the 15-minute time frame. 15 minutes. There's 10 seconds delay on YouTube, I think. No, I removed the delay, so there should not be any delay on it. I mean, we can test it if you want, but I don't think there's any delay on it. I think the delay is 0, if I'm not mistaken. By the way, guys, we had a rule in here. If you don't like the stream, you are gay, and that's totally fine. We respect gay people, but it's your decision, not mine. Did people get filled? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. If people got filled, they placed it the wrong place. It was right above, like in few pips above. So if people got filled, they placed the limited. Welcome CS:GO boy. How you doing, brother? Welcome Hassan. How you doing, brother? The 100% win streak. I hope we got filled so we can continue it, but apparently no, I guess. Oh, that was so close. That was literally like, I don't know, 5 pips. No one wants to be a gay day trader cause their Felix is so weak. That's true. Yeah, this was very close. It was literally like 2 pips above. That was literally 2 pips above. Can I go in? No, you should not enter, guys. It's literally like, how can you even think about entering 60 pips after? Like after 60 pips, why would you enter on that? I have 3k I have to use and chain. What do I do? You buy a topstep account and you just follow the trades. You can just follow the trades for free on YouTube. You don't even have to pay to be in the group. I will stream it on YouTube when I enter, so if you have some money, just buy the topstep and you just follow. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. You can see this is the challenge I passed last week. Using the smallest lot size and then 100% win rate. This is $3,000. You don't even have to use higher lot size. This is the smallest lot size you can use. So I'm here to do it for free live. So just follow, put the limit orders where I tell you and you just follow. It's quite simple. Is this US 100? No, this is gold. This is gold. Is it doing 100 pips? No, it's only 80 pips, but that's still a lot. 80 pips is still a lot. Oh, fuck. 80 pips. So it's basically, I think it's 100 pips now, right? Yeah, 90 pips. So almost 100. So that's fuck. That is fuck. That's pretty sad. That is actually very fucking sad. I was so close. It couldn't get closer. Yeah, I don't know what to say. That was literally like right above. Pharaoh, delete the limit order. Yeah, I will do a plan B setup if I can find one. I guess a plan A is already used there. So I will find a plan B. Wait, someone got filled in the group. He's up $400. What the fuck? How did he place it so wrong? How the hell did this? What? What is your strategy win rate? Right now I'm 100% win rate, but I don't really have a exactly win rate. Depends. How did this guy get filled? He's up $100. How does that make sense? Sorry, $400. The fuck? How you got filled? I think he entered manually. There's no way he got filled on that one. That would be cheating, low-key. Mamma mia. I actually placed it at 96.1 instead. This was a banger, but guys, you haven't seen a real banger yet. Stay tuned for more. I appreciate it, David. David, did you enter? I mean, there's no way you got filled if you had a buy limit. So all I need is to stop buying cases. Do you mean CSGO cases? If you're doing that, that's pretty stupid. Put some money in these and just tag along either stream. Yeah, do that. That's a bad idea. First time here, and that limit order would have been a sniper entry. I mean, I think without even lying, you can even look at my what's it called, the previous results. I think 90% of my trades are zero drawdown, if not 95. 95 and 90% of my trades are zero drawdown. And you can look all the screenshot yourself, and you can look at the live streams. I can't even fake it. You can literally see it yourself. So I think 90 or 95% of my trades are zero drawdown. And this one, I didn't even try to get this one on Sniper. I didn't even try to. Like I even told you that I thought it would get drawdown, but it didn't. I guess that's just luck today, I guess. He didn't get filled on the buy limit, he did random market execution. Yeah, I saw that. I was also wondering how he got filled, but I saw that it was a market execution. So he entered himself after, which is not a good idea. Hello, Oliver, how you doing, brother? But yeah, guys, remember tomorrow I'm gonna post a new zone. We take the new zone together tomorrow as well. Hopefully we all get filled on that one. I hope we all get filled on that one tomorrow. I'm gonna be live every single day. Can we take this trade on Forex? No. We're turning futures, my friend. Mamma mia, pizzeria. So no B setup. I mean, I will have to check. I will have to check. I haven't checked yet. I will have to do that off stream to be focused. I often like to do the analysis off stream, and then I go live once I had my focus on actually providing a good setup. That's how I keep my accuracy so high. But yeah. Oh, that was actually very good. I didn't get filled because I have an account that I just upgraded to a live account, but I'm still waiting for the upgrade, and I put the limit order on that account. That would have been so stupid because I already passed the account, so there was no reason to take a trade on it. I didn't even see that. That was actually my luck. I need to switch accounts, sorry. Just give me a moment. That was actually close. We might have an anchor setup on the 5 minute, guys. An anchor setup to take a long position at the 3404 maybe. So just stay tuned. I will put it in Telegram and then I will go live right after. We cancel this limit. Yeah, I canceled the limit order. You sound like you're from Spain. I'm from Denmark, sadly. I hate Denmark. In fact, I actually shorted the Danish crown last night, and I'm up 2,000 pips on it, so yeah. You should name gold futures. Not yeah, I can do that tomorrow if people prefer that. I don't really mind. Hello, Gurap. How you doing, brother? Hope you're doing well. Should we buy now, bro? No, that's too late. There's no reason to buy 100 pips after. Makes no sense. You either buy at the spot or you don't. We have set stream times. No, I try to go live around the zones because I trade all 3 sessions, so I try to go live around the zones. Oh. Thank you. It's running 100 pips now. I think, let me check, I think it's 100 pips now. Yeah, 180 pips, almost 110 pips. So yeah, that would have been an absolutely banger first trade on the Monday, but I was literally 2 pips away. So I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. Oh. You missed entry by a pip? Yeah, I mean that's happened. That can happen for everybody. It's not my. I wish I could control the market to push it down 2 pips more, but it's out of my control. I mean, I'm still happy to see that my setup literally worked. 2 pips difference doesn't really change the whole idea behind the structure, so I'm still happy to see that the buy zone was good. That I was 2 pips off is just sad. You think it will continue up from here? I think this is the low for the day, because the daily bar only have, what, 7 hours left, and I don't think we're going to continue further down because we have clean range, and clean range takes volume to take out, so I think this is the daily low. I think we could get a bottom wick on the next 4 hour, the 2 hour, that we can anticipate a buy from. That's why I said we might have an anchor setup on the 5 minutes that we can use to take a long position, but yeah. Let's just wait and see. Idea still spot on? Yeah. Dun, dun. And enter if it comes back to the zone? No, I only take first tap. If I don't get filled, I will wait for the next one. Oh shit. We should not enter? No, bro, it's running 100 pips. It's too late to enter. David, did you enter? I mean, the people who got filled did the market execution. How you analyze this trade you missed? I mean, if I told you, I would have to kill you. I'm sorry, bro. I cannot tell you. Oi, oi, oi. This water is banger. Yeah, but it looks like we all have to cry to bed tonight. We didn't get filled by 2 pips, 3 pips, I guess. So. Kalai HD, it's gonna take a while because it has to be I need to produce what is it called, production to build the actual physical book as well, so it's a big project. It's gonna take a while, but it's worth the wait, I guarantee you that. And meanwhile, you can just watch me on YouTube for free, of course, and ask me questions while you wait for the book. What was your stop loss? I kind of wait till I get filled to analyze the volume and see where I should put it. Normally my stop loss is 25 pips, but doing challenges it can variate. Oh, look at this, man. I wish we could fucking... Oh my god. Oh, guys. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. That's pretty nice. I appreciate the support, and I hope that you enjoy the trades that I'm providing you. Hopefully we get filled next time and we don't miss it by a few pips. So yes, Justin, I'm back to live streaming daily again. What is your strategy? Is the blue line strategy. But yeah, guys, I guess we missed the trade by a few pips. That's very fucking unlucky. Very sad. But again, I'm live tomorrow. I'm gonna post a new zone, and then hopefully we get filled in that zone instead. Anyone know if you can buy fractions, or do I need to entire OZ to enter? I don't really know what you mean. Can we sell from the inside bar at 76? I mean, it's not a bad zone. BC, it's not a bad one. But I will wait to take sells till tomorrow, so you can anticipate the top wick on the daily bar instead. That's my preference, if you want to catch a run, of course. Because if you trade futures at 22, they will close your position, so you can't really get a run at this time on a bearish day if you take sales. So if I was you, you should have to wait for the next day. That's just my opinion. Do you share your entry SL2? I share everything: entry, stop loss, and TP. You get all three juices. This morning I entered a sell to your zone, but I'm close because you said it's not a good. It is not a good idea, Justin. I mean, because I have a buy zone doesn't mean the buy zone is gonna get filled. So taking a sell to the buy zone is it's a bad idea, if I have to be honest. But the people who told me earlier to like enter at this level because there was no way we would hit this level. I mean, look, we still came down and hit it. So being patient just pays you. Even though it looks far away, like this is gold. This is why I love gold. Even though you're far away, you can still get filled. Why did you change your zone? I didn't change my zone. You can watch the first stream today. This is the exact same key level. No zones has been changed. You can see the same key level from the first stream today. So I don't know if you're blind, but I guess. Because it was less big. I mean, it's just how you zoom out and the time frame. It's all about how you zoom out and zoom in, and then move the chart around that affects the box. Which concepts you use in trading? Buy low, sell high equals making money, so that's what I do. What would have been the TP? It depends on your lot size, it depends on the people. I will have 1,500 pips. Not 1,000, sorry. 150 pips, because that's the part of the challenge. Which means my TP would be right here, so it's almost at the TP if we entered on it. But yeah, I'm gonna post a new zone, and then when we get close to that zone, I'm just gonna go live again and repeat. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching. Just look in the chat when I give you a new zone, and then I will go live. So if you have your notification on, you will be notified, and then hopefully we get a banger trades. So on the next zone as well. So see you guys. Love you all. See you guys. Love you.